Hi everyone, this is Molly. If you're watching this, you're probably getting ready to apply your nail wraps to your nail sticks. So let's go ahead and get a couple of our materials ready before we begin. You're going to need something to prep your nail stick. I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol in a bottle. You can use it as a wipe. Try to stay away from acetone. It tends to strip the surface of plastic. You're going to need a pair of tweezers to take the wrap off of the acetate film, a pair of scissors to trim the wrap. You're going to need a pair of nail clippers to trim the edges of the nail stick. You're going to get a nail file to smooth off the edges of the clipped nail stick, a cuticle pusher to push out any of the bubbles, some of your wraps, your nail sticks that you're going to be using, and the Jamberry heater or a source of heat that you'd like to use. So we're going to begin first by trying to decide which way you'd like to apply your wraps. Everybody does it a little bit differently. I like my wraps so that the edges of the wrap actually go against the edge of the nail stick. And that way the natural cuticle edge here matches here, which means that when you apply the nail stick, and that rounded edge fits against the natural nail. So let's go ahead and prep our nail stick. Alright, so I have mine prepped, and then I'm going to go ahead, and this is Butterfly Bliss that I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with some heat, and this is just as in the same way that you would prepare your own nails. You would wait until it curls a little bit. I don't suggest a cold application. Alright, so go ahead and line it up against the bottom edge, and then you can use your finger first to kind of smooth that out, and then hit it with a little bit more heat. And this second heat is to help push out the air bubbles, and you'll use your cuticle pusher. Alright, let's go ahead and smooth out any of the edges. Got a little wrinkle at the top. Alright, so once that's all done, then what you can do is we're going to prep the remaining part of the nail stick, and we're going to use our nail clippers, and we're going to clip off just the small edges that you might see, just to give it a rounded edge so it fits more naturally against a nail. You can hear the plastic coming off. Do it as much as or as little as you want. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your nail file and go ahead and file the edges down. You just feel it to make sure that it's not a rough edge, because you don't want your customers putting their fingers against something that might be sharp. There we go. And just like that, one nail is done. You can actually go ahead and fit it against to see if you like it. I kind of like that one. I wish my nails were just a little bit longer, but it's still a very nice fit. And there you go. That's one nail stick done. And I mean, it's a pretty straightforward process. You can kind of get through a whole set in a matter of 10 minutes. So enjoy the process, enjoy looking at all the nails and practicing putting them on nail sticks. And if you have any questions, feel free to PM me and let me know. Bye-bye.